Hi everyone, this is Mukta Sharma. Edureka has helped me in becoming a better version of myself as a software testing professional. So I came across their channel first time and I referred to one video which is Selenium tutorial for beginners. They have explained each and every concept of Selenium in detail, and in the end of the video they have given hands-on. They have very good videos on the advanced technology. So starting from the very basic of a specific topic, they have explained in depth with hands-on. I personally liked it so much, and you can also refer them, maybe that will also help you. Thank you so much.
Hi Edureka, my name is Katso Golekanye. I was able to get to learn this very important skill through Edureka and the amazing learner management system, which is so easy to interact with, which helps manage my time very well. Like for example, the study sessions that I was able to take on the learner management system, it always reminded me in due time that, you know what, it's study time, and I was able to study and work very hard on my course, and really gets me to be employed by big companies like Microsoft, because I know you guys have the right tools, the right people, and the right courses to just get us where you want to be. We thank you guys, we thank you, and I appreciate every day I spent on Edureka.
Hi all, I'm Mohan, and as we all know that Edureka is one of the largest e-learning platform. Even in this pandemic time, Edureka didn't stop to help us learn new things, and Edureka is conducting daily 3 live sessions for us, and these live sessions are very qualitative and they help me to learn a lot of new things. Edureka is conducting workshops on various technologies like cybersecurity, data science and ML, and also DevOps. And these workshops contains a project, hands-on project at the end of the workshop, which helped me to apply my skills which I learned in this workshop. And Edureka also conducts masterclasses, and these masterclasses are really helpful to learn new trending technologies. Currently, I'm learning web development from Edureka's YouTube channel. It really has a good content on web development, and Edureka is also conducting an internship on web development, and I would highly recommend you to follow the Edureka's YouTube channel and also be active in Edureka's community. Thank you Edureka for providing such good content for us.